Guys, welcome back to Tamara's Hair Care channel. If you are new here, we welcome. We are on the journey for a longer, thicker, healthier, relaxed hair. If you are interested in everything hair care, please subscribe and let's grow healthier, thicker, longer hair together. In today's video, I will be sharing my simple and easy wash day routine after wearing braids for over a month. First, I'm going to start by detangling my hair gentle from the ends and work my way up to the top so I can get all that dead hair out. Trust me guys, this is all dead hair because I haven't detangled my hair for over a month. I have been wearing protective style. I have a lot of dead hair. So I have to ensure I get all that dead hair out before I wash my hair. After detangling my hair, I like to play around and just enjoy my hair. As you guys can see, it's very puffy, very thick, and it's just fun and I like to enjoy it. I feel like we should take some time out to appreciate our hair no matter what the conditions are. Just appreciate it and show it some love. This is all the dead hair I comb out of my hair at the moment, but after wash and detangle I'm going to get a little more, but this is everything that I got out so far. A lot, I know, but it's normal. It's pretty normal. Today I am going to wash my hair with my Shea Moisture Strengthening and Repair Conditioner and Shampoo with Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Castor oil is so good for your hair, guys. I will be showing you guys all the oils that I use on my hair for growth and thickness in upcoming videos. Next, I will be sectioning my hair into 2 sections so it can be easier to manage in the shower. Because of the 2 different texture, I am now over 3 months post relax, so my hair is harder to manage, so section it in 2 or 4 allows me to better manage my hair. After soaking my hair with warm water, apply my shampoo to half of my hair and I wash each section 3 times so I get all that dirt out. Guys, I found this scalp massager shampoo brush and I love it. This is a must-have. It washed my hair so clean. I just put it on my scalp and do it in circular motion and it's so relaxing, so soft. It's really gentle on your scalp. It looks like I'm going in really rough, but I am not. But it's so relaxing and it leaves my scalp so clean and help to detangle my hair while shampooing. After, I rinse my hair with warm water and I just repeat this step for the next half of my head. extremely clean and towel dry, I like to go in and finger detangle my hair and take out all those knots. The reason why I use my finger to detangle my hair when it's wet like this, because I like to eliminate any unnecessary breakage. After finger detangling, I go in with my conditioner and I use a generous amount, guys. One of the secret to healthy hair is the deep conditioning process. After I apply a generous amount of deep conditioner to both sections of my hair, I put a shower cap on and let it sit for about an hour. If you have a hooded dryer, you can just sit under your hooded dryer for 15 to 20 minutes, but I don't at the moment. So I am just letting it sit on my hair for an hour and just do my chores around the house, edit, whatever I need to get done. I just do that in that time. Here I am just showing you the amount of conditioner I have used. After the hour, I take down my little pigtails and rinse my hair out with cold water. Then I finger detangle my hair again and I just let my hair dry for about 30 to 40 minutes after I apply my leave-in conditioner. Today I am using the Mizani leave-in conditioner. I really love this leave-in conditioner, guys. It leaves my hair really soft and that allows the detangling process to be really easy and gentle on my hair, so no breakage at all. After letting my hair dry for about 40 minutes, I section my hair in 4 different sections and blow dry my hair. If you guys would like a more detailed video of how I blow dry my hair, please comment down below. Normally, if I have nothing else to do, I will let my hair 100% hair dry, but because I have a baby now and time is not on my hand, I have to blow dry my hair. I try to eliminate as much heat to my hair as possible, so I don't always flat iron my hair. I only blow dry and flat iron my hair maybe 3 to 4 times a year. Now I'm just playing with my hair, enjoying the thickness, enjoying the healthiness, enjoying my hair. I just love to just look in the mirror, enjoy my hair, play with my hair, and just feel good about it. my hair is completely dry, I go in with my Holy Grail hair treatment argan oil. Guys, I've been using this oil for maybe 5 years now, and trust me when I tell you, this is my staple product. I cannot do without this oil. I just apply it to my entire head, and it makes it extremely soft, but it's really lightweighted, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. Your hair is still bouncy and nice, but at the same time moisturized. Then I just go in with my blow dryer again to distribute the oil in my hair. I love to do this technique because I feel like the oil gets to be evenly distributed in my hair. Now I am just flat ironing my hair. I just pass the flat iron through my hair once, and can you guys see that how straight and nice this is? If you guys are interested in my flat ironing technique, just comment down below and let me know, and I will share that video. Oh my god, guys, can you see how silky and straight my hair is? At the same time, it looks so healthy and flowy and nice. Oh my god, I am so in love with my hair. I will add all the products I use in my hair in my description below, so you guys can check that out. And there you have it, my simple and easy wash day routine. As I said before, I don't always flat iron my hair. I only flat iron my hair 3 to 4 times a year. The less direct heat you put on your hair, the healthier your hair become. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was pretty helpful. If you have any question or concern, please comment down below, or even any videos requests. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye guys.